What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how easy it is to create a Facebook cover photo using free customizable templates. It only takes a few minutes and no design experience is needed. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to snappa.com and make a free account. Snappa has hundreds of templates to choose from, and the correct Facebook cover photo size is already preset. On the homepage, scroll down and click Facebook cover photo. Then have a look through our customizable templates to see which design would look best on your Facebook page. Once you find a design you like, just click on it to start editing. Now that your canvas is open, you'll notice the Safe Zone guidelines are active to show you how your cover photo will look on different devices. It's always best to keep your main design elements in this middle area, and you can switch the safe zones on and off using this toggle. To begin designing, let's start by editing the text. If you double-click a text box, you'll be able to type in your own title and subheading. When you have a text box selected, you'll notice a toolbar on the left. This is where you can change the font, adjust the text size, switch the color, and make more customizations. You can also click and drag a text box to reposition it. Next, let's change the background image. If you click on the Backgrounds tab, you can sort through millions of images from our built-in stock photo library. All of these images are royalty-free, and you can just click on one to add it to your design. We also have some really unique background patterns, and you can upload your own photos as well. For this design, I'll search for a nice dark background image to use. You can also click on the Effects tab to make more adjustments to your background. Maybe you want to blur the image, or darken it a bit more, or increase the saturation. I recommend using the Graphics tab if you want to add icons and photos on top of your background. Or you can also use the Shapes tab if you want to add lines, boxes, or other shapes to your design. Pretty much all of the design assets in Snappa can be customized using the toolbar on the left, and you can easily remove elements by clicking on them and pressing Delete on your keyboard. Once you're happy with your cover photo design, just click the pen icon at the top to rename it. Then, hit Save to avoid losing any progress, and you can download it as a Retina JPEG for the highest quality and best results. After that, log into Facebook and go to your page. Then click Edit Cover Photo and Upload Photo, and you can select the image file that you just downloaded from Snappa. Once you click Save Changes, your new cover photo will be added to your Facebook page. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you want to learn more about the best Facebook cover photo size and best practices, I definitely recommend checking out our blog post that I've linked in the description. And if you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.